Big boy Reliance was the showstopper in today's trade. On expectations of strong Q4 numbers, brokerages have also turned bullish on the stock. In addition, the company has been on a shopping spree for the past year, acquiring 9 fashion brands, with the latest addition being couture label Abu Jani Sandeep Khosla. Sakshi Batra is joining us on this. Sakshi, tell us more about the reasons behind Reliance's recent up move and also take us through the blitzkrieg in the world of luxury retail.
Absolutely, Abha, you're right. Reliance Industries moving 7% up in the last 2 odd trading sessions. What's pushing the stock price higher? Well, one, Morgan Stanley has included Reliance Industries into its Asia-focused list. And second of all, there's a big expectation that this time around in Q4, Reliance Industries will be getting some good earnings, and that will be backed by Reliance Petchem on the back of higher gross refining margins, on the back of the kind of move that we've seen on the crude oil prices. And of course, the big news that we are all talking about, the buying of 51% majority stake in Abu Jani Sandeep Khosla brand as well. So that's going to be a big one. Like you pointed out, it's going to be the 9th brand acquisition by Reliance Brands, which is a subsidiary of Reliance Retail, into its portfolio. And look at the kind of already luxury brands, the homegrown luxury brands that it has got under its wings, and the kind of massive move that we've seen over there, and the kind of inroads it is making into the luxury space as well. 9th brand acquired by Reliance Industries. And this will not only help Reliance Industries get strengthened its luxury portfolio, but will also help the Abu Jani Sandeep Khosla couture brand to expand its presence globally as well. Let's move on to see what are the kind of brands that we already are seeing under the Reliance Brands portfolio. You have Manish Malhotra, where Reliance Industries picked up a 40% stake last year. We also have Ritu Kumar's label, Ritika Private Limited, where it picked up a 52% stake. There was a joint venture designer with designer Rahul Mishra as well. Another JV also right there coming through with Anamika Khanna. So a whole host of homegrown brands right there. It also acquired lingerie brand Zivame and Clovia as well. And not just the homegrown labels. Look at the kind of global partnerships Reliance Industries really has with the likes of international luxury brands like Bottega Veneta. You talk about Burberry, Furla, Tiffany. You have all these names under its portfolio. Canali right there as well. Jimmy Choo as well. So it has a whole host of brand partnerships with these global international brands as well. And looks like India's conglomerates, the big conglomerates, are going big on fashion. Look at the kind of comparison you have with Aditya Birla and Reliance Industries. Abu Jani now and Ritu Kumar, Manish Malhotra and Rahul Mishra for Reliance Industries, but you have a whole host of others including Tarun Tehliani, Sabyasachi for Aditya Birla as well. Now let's move on to see what will this really do for Reliance Industries as a brand and for Reliance Brands as well. I would say there are 2 big questions. Whether Reliance Industries will move to make luxury more affordable for Indians, or whether this will help the homegrown luxury brands expand their presence beyond India now.
Absolutely, Sakshi. It'll be interesting to see how that strategy emerges. Sakshi, thanks so much for joining us.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.